there, everybody? Okay, so, another month, another Tuesday. Epic giveaways. So, if you check out marketplace.com or whatever, I'll put the link at the bottom. But you get this banner up here. If you click that, it'll take you right to the free stuff. Okay, it'll open up this, and you got all of your free stuff. Right? So, what do we have today? What is this thing? Stylized dynamic nature platformer, stylized truck. Okay, it's a lot of stylized stuff. Modular gothic temple, hand painted environment. Okay, all stuff that kind of belongs in Unity, to be honest. Let's have a look at the stuff and see what it is. Stylized dynamic nature. Okay, that sounds a little interesting. 18 unique trees, including bamboo. Look, man, if you're looking for a kind of a this kind of a look, the stylized kind of a look. I mean, this pack is very Zeldery. Zeldery? Is that a word? Zeldery? So, I mean, there's some cool stuff in it, definitely. And, not everybody's style is hyper realistic or whatever. This style rocks. It's pretty damn cool. And these assets are quite nice. I mean, I like the wind in them. I like the little wind thingamabobbies. See those little waves of wind? They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. So, I mean, this is very nice. You got some controls over it. Nice. You got global parameters to affect the wind on all your trees and stuff. That's very nice. And it actually moves pretty damn well. I love the gradient in the wind. It's really nice how much gravity and stuff it has, yeah? This is coolings. This is very coolings. Look at that. You can change things. Okay. They've got some nice, very nice features here. Some very nice features. Some beautiful things. So if that's your thing, that's your thing. That's pretty damn cool. Next one is, what is this thing? Platformer, stylized cube world. Okay, damn, look how bright his images are. Look how bright the images are. Cray, man. Put some contrast on that thing. Take your toe, map it down a little bit, man. But pretty cool. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It looks all like Unity assets. Probably are Unity assets, right? But I mean, this is quite nice. I mean, if you want to create something like this is very cool. They've done them well. They look pretty nice, stylized, very bright, eh? Very like burnt bright, but very cool. Very cool. I quite like this. Look at that. That's some nice quality, and I like this. I mean, if you're making like a block game or whatever platformer, it's pretty cool, right? Side. You've done good. You've done good. What do we got here? Stylized truck. Now that is definitely a Unity. Oh man. Okay. Can't see myself using things like this, but still, maybe. I mean, this is great for all stylized work, right? Looks cool. You got some nice color options. Uh, it's all cool. You can drive the truck if you want. It's got an interior. The resolution of Unity, very nice. Cool. Nice. Okay, cool. I mean, then we've got a what is this? A hospitality pack. Okay, so we've got some nice. Looks like a cafe or something, or a restaurant or something. Yeah, pretty cool. We got a lot of that though. I mean, they've given us quite a few of this, but it's nice to have an addition. Let's have a look. All cool. The people that make them, they're all talented. They all. It's all very cool. This month is it's to each his own. Really, it is. It's to each his own. Some people may be flipping out, going, "Oh my God, I needed a truck like that," or some other thing. You could be getting people going mental over these things. So very cool. This is nice. They did give us very similar ones. I suppose this is like the most realistic one that we got this time around. Um, which is cool. I mean, at the end of the day, they're all free. There's no complaining. These are really nice looking. They are free. All of these are free, so you get this kind of thing. So sign up, get them. You never know if you might be on Unity at the moment, going and always just going, what if I just what would have happened if I just used the better engine? Um, so always have them around. Always have them around. It's totally worth it. And then you get this stylized thing, which is very beautiful. They're all very pretty. They've all done pretty cool things. This one doesn't have a video, but it's going off the same stylized kind of look. Very cute, very nice. So at the end of the day, it's free. Get them. You never know when you may want to do something stylized, or somebody says, "Hey, I need something stylized," or any of the above. End of the day, highly recommended that you just get an account. And you just gotta literally click the add to cart button, and then you go to the little thingy here, and you say checkout, and you got all the assets. You never know if you're gonna use them in the future. They're all free, no catches. Epic isn't like some other microtransaction companies. It is what it is. So I hope this helps, and I see you in the next one. Bye, guys.